Yes, good evening, everyone. So, in the last class, Saturday, session management by using the cookies completed. In the last one, cart application, how to read the data from cookies, display to the HTML file, and whatever the problems in the cookies we discussed. Cookies can maintain only very less amount of information. The size of cookies are fixed. It is handled only string data. If the data is non-string data, it is not handled. And cookies can be stored to the browser side, client side. Hence, there is no security. And per a browser, limited number of cookies only we have to store. So these are all the 5 problems will be there. To overcome these limitations, we should go for the session framework. For that, Python is provided internally. Session API is there in the settings. In the middlewares, session middleware will be there, and the app session contrib.sessions is there to handle the session API. So now today the concept is session management by using the session API. By using session API. Sir, cookies key, I'm given a small example. The better example for cookies is RMP doctor example I provided, because whenever patient is came, doctor will prepare one slip and given to the patient. Patient is the responsible to store that slip. If second time whenever he is coming, compulsory. So compulsory can come with that slips, and only doctor can recognize that patient. So here client and patient is the responsible to maintain that slip. That cookies example RMP. Again, in case of the session framework, in the session framework, suppose whenever you can go to the bank, if you have any bank locker, what is the process of the bank locker process? Whenever you can go to your bank account, you need to ask the manager, sir, I want some locker facility. I have to keep them my some land documents or gold, some important documents I have to keep there. Provide the locker means banker will give you locker for you. For that locker, they have two keys are there. One key is with you, second one is the bank manager. So they will provide only key. The total data responsibility take care by bank employees. Whenever you can go to the second attempt to the bank, you can go with your key. First you will go open that key, then banker will come, he can open with the key, then locker will be opened. So what he will provided? Just key only you can provide it. Actually, you don't worry about your data and all the things. By using that key, we need to open that one. Same here also. Client to server is there. Server will store all the data somewhere else. Server will give one session key. Whenever you have to send the request second time, third time, just you have to send that request with key. Previous guy slip cookies. Now by using the key, we have to send it. Actually, forget about data. Data completely carried by the server. For example, sometimes you can go to the temples. Yes or no? Na? Compulsory because so many girls are coming now. So in that temple chapel stand is there. You have to keep your slippers. What they will use, they will use small slip. Mobiles kani, suppose you can go to the Tirupati, mobiles they are not allowed. They have mobile counter, chappal counter, everything. They have to keep that. They have to give one slip. After completion of your darshan, go to that slip and you can collect your belongings. Cell phone kani, chappals kani, cloak room lo, luggage kani, all the things are. That is also for session framework. And best example in RMP doctor cookies, if you go to some specialty hospital, super specialty hospital, in that first time, whenever you can go to that, they are asking, sir, are you coming second time or first time? First time means okay, they have to created one ID for you with your details, your name, first name, last name, age, and mobile number. They have to created some ID. If you go to second time, file gill not required. Just you have to tell your mobile number. In their app, they have to enter mobile number. They will tell complete your details. So what they are given just key. That key is nothing but your mobile number. Cheppal stand, token, bank locker key. All these are for session management by using the session APIs. So in the cookies, only one method is there. That method is set underscore cookie views. This is the method cookie key value per second given to the response and send to the response. Now, what about our in session framework? There are some methods will be there. Come to here. So whatever useful methods per session management. We add data to the session. First one, I want to add data to the session. Then request dot session of key value. I am assigning one value to the key. If I want to read the data, reverse. To get the data session, చూడండి దీనికి లైన్ నెంబర్ 10కి లైన్ నెంబర్ 13కి ఏం డిఫరెన్స్? ఈ రైట్ది లెఫ్ట్కి వచ్చింది, లెఫ్ట్ది రైట్కి వెళ్ళింది. This is called as I'm assigning value to the session key. If the session key is available, I can read the data and assigning to the variable. Ante it is adding, it is reading data from the session. Third method, request dot session dot set underscore expiry. Previously we can provided direct time na, ఇప్పుడు set underscore expiry. We have to set expiry for the session. Request dot session dot get underscore expiry. అంటే get underscore expiry age. When it will be expired, it will be displayed. Returns expiry age in seconds, the number of seconds until this expires. Request dot session dot get underscore expiry underscore date returns the date on which session will be expired. ఇవి 5 methods. First one, you add data to session. Next, get the data, set the time. You can ask get expiry as seconds will be displayed. Instead of that exact date you want, then use the date method. So now the cookies lo page count ante how many requests we are getting, that one we can provide at the 10, 13. 10 is I have to assign value to the session, Sandeep. If the session having key, I am accessing read the data and assign to the variable. Suppose there is a one dictionary is there, okay, empty dictionary. Go to Python shell. D equal to open close curly brace empty dictionary. D of 100 equal to Sunny. What is the meaning? We are assigning key value pairs to the dictionary. I want to read D of 100 to some A Anna. Then what is the meaning? Reading data and assigning to the variable. So, the same first one, it is called as the line number 10. We are assigning one value to the dictionary with key value. It is also dictionary. In this dictionary, I am taking the corresponding key, that value assigning to this one. That is the meaning of 10 and 13th lines. So now, I have to create one more project. Last one anta 4 kada. 5. Page count. And how many requests I am sending by using session API? We have to calculate it. So, exit from Python shell. Create the project. Django DJANGO hyphen admin. Start project. Hmm. First project to application, add application, make migrations, migrate. Then session table will be created. Roughly how many days take to complete this course? Maximum I will try to finish before Pongal. అని అవదు. By month ending, Jan ending, I will finish it. అంటే ఇక్కడ మ్యాక్సిమం వీక్ పోద్ది కాబట్టి బిఫోర్ పొంగల్ అసలు అవ్వదు, ఇంపాసిబుల్. ఇంకెన్నున్నాయి ఇందులో? 8th టాపిక్ కదా, ఇంకా 6 ఉన్నాయి. లే, బై జనవరి ఎండింగ్ ఐ విల్ ఫినిష్ ఇట్. సో నౌ atom, 5th one, go to settings, test app, py, manage.py, make migrations, migrate. Tables are created. Now how many requests we are sending for that? View is the responsible to calculated code, everything same previous code only, but in previous cookies are there. Now session we can add it. Def page count view request. Now just it is console our understandable purpose. Request dot cookies will be printed. Now request dot session dot get command. First time session nothing empty, there is no key. Get command will return default value. What is the value? 0. Make it as a count. Because already these things I explained. The use of the get command. If I'm not using get command direct count, it will give key error. Program terminated. Because of this get command, if the key is not available, what is the return value? 0 will be stored into count increment. Count plus equal to 1. Now we add this one. Request dot. Whatever methods, how to add the value? Session of key equal to value. This is the way of adding. What is the key? The key is count. So 1 is added to the count. Send this one to the HTML page. Nothing, you won't do anything. Return render request comma test app slash page count dot HTML. I added this one comma dictionary. What is the key? Count. What is the value? Count. Done program. దీనికి ఇప్పుడు ఒక HTML పేజ్. సో రైట్ క్లిక్, ఫోల్డర్, టెంప్లెట్స్, రైట్ క్లిక్, ఫోల్డర్, రైట్ క్లిక్, ఫైల్, ఇది ఫైల్. ఇక్కడ దాని కౌంట్ డిస్ప్లే చేయండి. HTML బాడీ h1 tag, the page count, curly brace, count. Done. Span on the కాబట్టి I can go with style tag. Inside I want to provided font size. Okay, URL. count views dot page count view from test app import views. Run the server. Copy the address. Go to the browser. వాల్యూ ఎర్రర్ వ్యూస్లో ఎక్కడో రాంగ్ ఉంది. ఎక్కడ? ఓ సారీ, వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? కౌంట్ అది. నౌ సర్వర్ రీస్టార్టెడ్, రీఫ్రెష్. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది. ఓహో, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్? అది మర్చిపోయా. ఏదది? template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Server restarted. Come to here, refresh. If I refreshing, page is coming. Same request if I given to the Firefox, count will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now observe the count is 14. I am closing the Firefox, Chrome, అన్ని బ్రౌజర్స్ క్లోజెస్. ఇదిగోండి, ఎవ్రీ దానికి ఇట్ ఈస్ క్రియేటెడ్ సెషన్ ఐడి. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ బ్రౌజర్ బట్ ఐడి మారుతుంది. ఇదిగో ప్రీవియస్ ఐడి అయితే క్రోమ్ PBB2 EDR77 Firefox. Okay, browsers all I closes. Again I open browser, I am sending request. What will happen? Is it coming one or it will continue from the previous one? It will be continued, not one. Now see this. It is only 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27 kada. Close. Open new browser. Still it will be continued. అదే cookies అయితే the data available browser side, once close the browser it will be gone. But session previous గా Firefox here previous count ఎంత ఉందో from there it will be continued. ఇది 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This one I am given to the Edge browser, then count will become 1. Because of server side code is there, it will be stored. Sorry, how much time it is available? This browser today na, tomorrow na, 2 days, 3 days. Even I'm closing, I'm shut down the system, I'm closing all. Again I opened, still my session is continued, 29. How much time it is available there? Suppose I want to set the age. Just now I'm given one method. What is the method? ఇదిగోండి, request dot set dot set. ఇదే కదా. Copy to these views after count expiry. How much I'm given? 120. అంటే 2 minutes it is available there. Once I closes, okay, come to browser, still it will be continued. అయ్యో, ఓహో, and 36. After 2 minutes, have to send the request. Now time is 8:05. 8:07, 8:08. If I send the request, it will be 1. Asal how much seconds I am given? I want to clarity means one more method is there. What is the method? Expiry age. Then it will display the copy, paste it. ఇప్పుడు here send the request 37. See this? ఇదిగోండి, expiry CSRF token session ID ఏం రాలేదేంటి? ఓ సారీ, వీఆర్ ప్రింట్ చేయాలి కదా. సెండ్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇదిగోండి ఎంత టైము, 120 seconds. ఇట్ విల్ బి అవైలబుల్ దేర్. అవసరం 2 minutes ఇచ్చాము, 1 minute ఇవ్వాల్సింది. $39. ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్టర్ 1 minute 60 seconds. ఆఫ్టర్ 1 minute ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇట్ విల్ బి క్లోజ్ చేసాం. అది if I'm not given any time, 60 seconds, 120 ఇవ్వాలి. By default, how much time it is available? The session will be available. Then simply you can ask expiry age, then it will be displayed. T9. ఇది కూడా ఇంకా కంటిన్యూడ్ 27, 28, 29, 30. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇట్ విల్ బి కంటిన్యూడ్. ఏదైనా 1 second వన్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్, గో టు ద క్రోమ్. పని చేద్దాం, మన చేతిలో పనే కదా. 15 seconds, లేకపోతే అది పోవట్లేదు. అది రీఫ్రెష్ 41. డి కంటిన్యూడ్. రీఫ్రెష్, అదిగోండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? 1. Because of time is completed, automatic 1. If I am not provided anything, save, send the request. What is the time? By default, how much time it will be available? Refresh 1. Refresh 1. Come to here. Close this. I am commented kada. Save. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to here. Yeah. How much time it is available? 12,09,600. అంటే ఎన్ని డేస్? I want exact date అనుకోండి. Then we can go with this one. Print of date. Now send the request. ఇంకోండి ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుంది? January 6/1/2025 వరకు your session will be available. Even you can close browser, system shutdown, open it. Until Jan 1st, your session will be maintained by server. లేదు, I want to provided my own time like this, 120 seconds. Then send the request. Now it will be displayed. 120 seconds. 23/12/2024 ki finished. Sir, the first example of this one. Cookies can be maintained in client side. Once the browser closes, total data will be gone. That's I'm using the methods expiry date, expiry age. Sir, here if I'm given 120 means it is waiting 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, session is expired automatically. We have seen here is going to views. If I'm given just 10 seconds, okay, done. If I refresh, count will become 1 now. Okay, now after 10 seconds, it will become 1 automatically. Refresh 1 now. If I am given as a 0, then what will happen? Hmm? If I am given value as 0 value, always 1. Sorry, 1 now. పెరుగుతుందిగా. If I go to Firefox, పెరుగుతుంది కదా మరి. 0 seconds is every time. Come here. So many seconds completed. Still it will continue. అదిగోండి. అదే 1 ఇస్తే 1 సెకండ్కి ఆటోమేటిక్గా గాన్ చూసుకొని కావాలంటే. Gone. Okay. Wait. 1 second అయిపోయింది రీఫ్రెష్. అదిగోండి. ఇఫ్ యూ కంటిన్యూ వెయిట్ 1 second డన్. అదిగోండి మళ్ళీ 1 వచ్చింది. మరి వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ జీరో? జీరో మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కంటిన్యూడ్ ఓన్లీ. The meaning of zero means once you close the browser, until closing browser it is available. ఇదిగోండి. Once browser closes, then only session will be expired. Then you will getting as a 1, otherwise no. That is the meaning. ఇక్కడ it is waiting 2 minutes. If I am given 0 means once we close the browser, automatically session will be expired. అది మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ జీరో. One more application, last one. Session project 5 కదా అది 6. We done one profile application na name age same thing. Enter name, enter age, enter girlfriend name, print all the result. Same story. We have to go with session API. Stop the server. Go to back. Django-admin. First I have to display home page. Go to the app. Close all these. 6th one. Open settings. Test the app. Make migrations. Migrate. No. Views.py. Def నేమ్ వ్యూ కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్ కావాలిగా. రైట్ క్లిక్, న్యూ ఫైల్, forms.py, from DJANGO, import forms. Now class name form inside module name dot class name. Take a variable name equal to module name dot character field. So first not views, forms. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫామ్ కి క్రియేట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ ద వ్యూ, సెండ్ టు HTML ఫైల్. Yesterday holiday na studio, that's why I didn't go for the studio. Today after class I will go. So once form is ready, this is the class name. In create object to the views. So come to here, views, name, view. First argument request. And I want to provide that form equal to name form class object dot created. From test dot forms import name form. దీన్ని సెండ్ టు HTML ఫైల్ కాదు, రిటర్న్ రెండర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ కామా test/name.html file. Create one dictionary. Form colon form. ఇదే view. Created view for the form and forwarded. No holiday. Why holiday tomorrow? Hmm? రేపు కాదుగా. సెమీ క్రిస్మస్. టుమారో సెమీ క్రిస్మస్, ఎల్లుండి క్రిస్మస్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఆఫ్టర్ క్రిస్మస్. అట్ట ఉంది మీకు. న్యూ ఇయర్, సెమీ న్యూ ఇయర్, న్యూ ఇయర్ ఆఫ్టర్ న్యూ ఇయర్. సంక్రాంతి, సంక్రాంతి, భోగి, పొంగలు, కనుమ. ముక్కనుమ. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ మొక్క కనుమ. ఇవైంది. రిపబ్లిక్ డేనా? Sir, create HTML file. Right click, folder, templates, right click, folder, test app, right click, new file, name.html. Here provide h1 tag, name, registration form. We have not given any method. By default, it is the get method will be considered. Curly brace, form dot as underscore p. Once form class is there, compulsory, which is required? CSRF token is required. One button type is required. Submit. The value is submit name. దీనికి ఒక URL. అయ్యో, views dot name view. The URL pattern is name from test app import views. Start the server. Settings ఇవ్వలేదా? Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash. Now once I enter name, submit, I can go to the next page. ముందు వ్యూస్ కన్నా ఏం కావాలి? ఫార్మ్స్ కావాలి. The next again same story మళ్ళీ ఫార్మ్స్, వ్యూస్, HTML, URL. సెకండ్ ఫార్మ్ ఏజ్, ఇంటీజర్ ఫీల్డ్ ఏజ్, దీనికి వన్ వ్యూ. Go to the views, def age underscore view request. Now, how to read the data provided by end user? Here, whatever data I entered, click on submit name. Once I clicking on submit name, is it a get request or post request? Get, because form method attribute is not available. Automatically get request. So, how to read the data means and assign to the session, that is request dot, what is the method? Get of name stored into variable name. It is reading data from the form. Once available, add to the session request dot session of name equal to what I want to give, name. Added session, create form object, form equal to age form parenthesis, but it is not available కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ name form age form. This form you can send to the user. age.html form comma another key is name. ఇది వ్యూ. ఏమైంది? ఇది సెకండ్ వ్యూ. So create the HTML page. In this send the form, display the name. Come to this test tab, right click, file, file, age.html, HTML file, here h1 tag, hello, curling brace, name. Please provide the age, form, action, empty, method, get method. Display the form as underscore p. CSRF token. Input type equal to submit. The value equal to, sorry, age. దీనికి ఒక URL. ఏజ్ వ్యూ. ఈ ఏజ్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి at the time of nameలో యాక్షన్లో give the age. Done. Server started. Come to here. First request name registration form, submit. Hello Mahesh, provide your age. Once clicking on this, submit, goes to the next page. This is the body. అది HTML form and ఇది URLs. ఎక్కడ అమ్మని రాశారా? రాస్తుంటారు నాకు తెలిసి గ్యారంటీగా. రాసావా? అంతే కొట్టే. Next one is GF form. Go to forms. Name సరిపోయింది. దీనికి ఒక వ్యూ. So you have to take age from the get method, assign data to the session, and name you have to read from the session. So go to the views. Def view request. Now request dot get is the method inside I can provided age stored into variable. Then add to the session. How to add request dot session of age equal to age. I want to read the name value. How to get the name value? Request dot session of key. Age assigning to the session. Sorry, key కాదు కదా, name. Now create object. Form equal to gf form object dot created comma gf form. Now దీన్ని సెండ్ చేయండి. gf.html form name bus age not required, only I assigning to the in the next task. So create one HTML file. చాలా టైం అయింది. Take HTML page, body, h1, hello, curling brace, name, provide girlfriend name, form, action is empty. Now form dot as underscore p. input submit name. దీనికి ఒక URL is required. This URL df. Now start the server. First one, name.html, yes, registration name, submit, enter age, submit, provide girlfriend. Once I provided, submit. You have to display total details. That we have to do the next level. Then it is finished. Finally, last one, results. Yeah, tomorrow I will tell remaining concept. Yeah.